Hey everyone, I am Sana. Here I am happy to share this with you guys. I have made a designer kurta for the first time, but this time for my brother. And also I made this beadwork by myself. As a beginner, I learned it from YouTube channels. I watched a lot of videos and did some sample before this one. So I'll show you the cutting of this kurta in this video. Okay, first I took some reference from Bro's Kurta. Here are some of them. First, this is Indies from Peter England, size is 38. Second one is from Melange. It is extra small size, but the chest size is 38 only. Third one is from Manyavar, size is 38. But these three kurtas are comfortable and size is same, but it is little bit difference in fittings, like in length and chest and pocket sizes like that, and little bit in hip areas like that. So I asked my bro which one is more comfortable from these. He said this green one, it's from Melange, so I took reference from this one. This is the kurta measurement which I took from this green kurta. Now I'm going to cut this measurement in this sheet. But after this I realized this measurement won't give a perfect fitting. So I did a new measurement with body and also I compared with the kurta, and with some calculation I came with a new measurement. These are the measurement for actual kurta which I am going to make. This is the lining, that means astar. Today I am going to create this lining kurta only. First I am going to do measurement in astar or lining. This is the actual measurement. First, measure length is 39 inch. Make a straight line and measure 1 inch extra for stitching. Now it's time for armhole. Armhole measurement should be taken from chest. So here chest is 43 inches. So formula is chest divided by 4. 43 inch divided by 4 inch is 10.7. Here is 10.7 which I am marking. This is the fit kurta, so I am marking at 10 inch. I minused 7 cm from this 10.7 and also mark 1.7 inches down to top. Now make a straight line in this mark. And from chest mark in 8 inch downward. Keep it down, measure in 9 inch because from here only kurta will open. And do mark minus 4 inch from this opening. So this 6 inch for pocket. Now make a straight line in all the marking. This distance measurement is 8 inch for upper body joint and 6 inch opening for pocket and 4 inch for hip joining. And after kurta will open. Now it's time for shoulder measurement. Shoulder is 17.5. So it will be divided by 2, that is 8.75. So mark it on 8.7 inch. Front neck is 2.8 inch in both sides. Make it small. If neck is small, you can cut it later. If neck gone big, then it's hard to make small. So it won't fit at all. And do a curve. And now chest is 43 inch, stomach part is 40 inch, waist is 43 inch. Make it on this measurement, like 43 divided by 4, 40 divided by 4, again 43 divided by 4. So yeah, these are the measurement 10.7, 10 and 10.7. Make it on this measurement to give a shape. And mark 1 inch extra for stitching. And make a line on this marks with help of curve scale. Now it's time for armhole. Chest marking and the shoulder marking join both together and make a curve for arm. Previously we marked 2 inch downwards from shoulder. So now mark a cross line from that shoulder like this way, which I am showing here. Now cut on this outline. This is the front part. Now it's time for back side. Put on this front part on this cloth. Keep 2.5 inch down from this cloth. And now mark 2.5 inch on top in both the edges. Both the adjustments, shoulder edge and arm length edge. Now make a straight line upwards from arm length. Now make 1 inch upward from the same arm length. Make a little slanting line in opposite direction. Now make a straight line from this cross line to armhole mark and make a curve. Now on top make a cross line and straight from this 2-inch marking. Now it's time for neckline marking. 2.5 inch in both. Make a curve. And other measurements are same like front. So cut it on lines. This is the back side and this is the front side. And now this is the main fabric. It has self design and it is in navy blue shade. Now I traced this lining cut pieces on this fabric and cut it all. Now for sleeves. For this I'm directly gonna cut on this main fabric. I'm not going to use any lining for the sleeves. Sleeve length is 24 inch plus 1 for stitching. For bottom is 5 inches. And plus 1 for stitching as usual. Mark 3 inch downwards and make a straight line. And do a curve like this which I'm showing here. Now giving curve to fit arm perfectly. Now for pocket you need 20 inch length and 6 inch white cloth. That's it guys, cutting is over. For stitching stay tuned for part 2. Bye bye.